So here we're going to summarize some special factorization formulas. Now, while we should always double check our factorization by multiplying our products through, if we are able to recognize and apply these special factorization formulas, it's going to help make factoring that much faster. So our first group of factorization formulas are the factored form for a perfect square trinomial. So keep in mind that we have two different formulas for a perfect square trinomial. The first one, all terms in our trinomial are positive, leading to the binomial product a plus b squared. And then our second case leads to the product a minus b squared. Now, our second factorization formula is the factored form for a difference of squares. So we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to the binomial product a minus b times a plus b. Now be careful here, as a friendly reminder that this binomial product a minus b squared and the difference of squares are not equivalent. Our next factorization formula is the factored forms for a sum or difference of cubes. So the factorization formula for the sum of cubes, a cubed plus b cubed, factors to a plus b multiplied by the trinomial a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now the difference of cubes, notice the changes of the signs. This factors down to the binomial a minus b multiplied by the trinomial a squared plus ab plus b squared. And last but not least, we have two more factorization formulas for the cube of a binomial. So with these two factorization formulas, we again want to be mindful, just like with our difference of squares and the square of a binomial, we want to be mindful that the sum of cubes is not the same formula as the cube of a binomial. And the same thing with the difference of cubes. This is not the same, as we can see, as the difference of a cube of a binomial. So practice being on the lookout and using these special factorization formulas as you work through examples.